Students, welcome to Syed Sunehra classroom. In this video, we will discuss about the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. I will tell you with an example. So, I will take the cubic polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. And the zeros are, it is a cubic polynomial, so it has 3 zeros. What are they? 4, minus 2 and 1 by 2. These are the zeros. Now let alpha, beta, gamma or the zeros of a polynomial, cubic polynomial. Let alpha, beta, these three are the zeros, which it was already given. Now we need to find the relationship. To find the relationship, first we will write in the form. First we will add sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is, what is alpha plus beta plus gamma, which it is 4 plus minus 2 plus 1 by 2. We need to add these 3 zeros, which means sum of the zeros. 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2. And how we can write it? We can write it as minus of minus 5 by 2, which is nothing but, what is the normal form of a cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus b, I will write it here, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, right? Now here we will see minus of, what is the, here what is the b value? Minus 5, right? Which is the coefficient of x square. So here it will be minus b divided by, what is the a value? 2. Here 2 value is, which is in the form, here a and here it is 2. So minus b by a, which is the coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. So this is the relationship between the sum of products. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. And coming to product of zeros. Product of zeros, it is alpha, beta and gamma. How we can write it? We will multiply these zeros. What we will get? 2 ones are 2 ones are. I will get minus 4. How we can write this minus 4? We can write it as minus 4 minus 8 divided by 2. If we cancel this, we will get minus 4 only. So here I will see what minus 8 will be the 8 value, right? Which means here minus d divided by 2 value is a value. It is in the form of a, right? So here it is minus d by a, which is minus d will be the constant term. Here d is the constant term, right, for the cubic polynomial. So minus constant term divided by a will be the coefficient of x cube. So this is the formula. And one more thing is there in cubic polynomial, which is we need to add the zeros in such a way that 2 zeros will come aside, like alpha beta plus beta gamma plus and gamma alpha, which is, we will see this relation as well. What is the alpha value? Let's say here it is 4 minus 2 and 1 by 2. Let's take it as same, alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha value is 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 4. Here 4 2s are 8 minus 8, 2 1s 2 1s, which is minus 1, 2 1s are 2 2s are, which is plus 2. Here I will get minus 9 plus 2, which is minus 7. Here we can write, how we can write this? We can write this in a form minus 14 divided by 2, which is 2 1s are 2 7s are. It will give the same answer as minus 7. So here What is 14? Here minus 14 is coefficient of x and 2 is the coefficient of x cube. So here it will be minus c by a, which is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Now finally what we found that alpha plus, what is the relation alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is sum of zeros is b by a, sorry, minus b by a, and alpha beta gamma product of zeros is minus d by a, and alpha beta plus beta gamma and gamma alpha is c by a. This is the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. Thank you. This is Sunehra signing off.